Alright, first, these are little Coyote chunks that are just off the side of the rib cage. Didn't even butcher them really to remove the viscera and stuff. Made it for the dogs. And my girl Brizzy, she totally turned her nose up at it. So I figured if I was going to eat any piece that would make you guys cringe, it'd be one of these. So, doesn't smell great. Not bad. It was just put in corn oil over like a low medium heat. It's actually not bad. There's no gaminess to it, which surprised me because you could still smell a little bit of it as I put it up to my nostrils. Right on. I was about to do some back straps here in a second. It has a nice back strap, you know, deep, rich red color to it. So it should be interesting. Stick around.